Hi everybody! Welcome to Piethon Coders. If you've been here before, welcome back. Today I'll be showing you the first part of a spirit animal quiz. So basically how this quiz is going to work, we're going to ask the user several questions. In my case, I'm going to use 5 questions. And then we are going to give them their best match of a spirit animal based on their answers. So, we've all taken some kind of quiz, whether it's a spirit animal quiz or some other kind. So then with this one, you can make your own quiz and you can share it with your friends and family and you can discover their spirit animals. So the first thing you'll do to begin coding it is you're going to do File, New File, and then this is optional, but I like to welcome my user with a print statement. So I'm just going to type print, parentheses, quote, welcome to the spirit animal game. Please answer the following questions to discover your spirit animal. Okay, and then we're going to come up with our 5 questions and we're going to use inputs so that we can store their answers to these questions. So I am going to name my variable for the first input. I'm just going to name it Q1. So you can change the name of these variables. You can change it to question 1. You can change it to just 1. You can make it as long or short as you want. You can even add on more questions or have less questions in your program. I'm going to use 5, and I'm just going to name my variable Q1. And then I'm just going to put equals input, parentheses, quote. I'm just going to put if you had 1 hour to do anything, I'm going to put what would you do? And then I'm going to use something called a /n. And basically what that does is it's going to enter a line break in our program. So I'm just going to do /n. And you don't have to end the input. You can just keep going. So /n, and then I'm going to put a, parentheses. And then I'm going to put read a book. You can change these answers. These are just some answers I came up with. And /n e. Watch a movie. And then /n c. And then I'm going to do cook or bake something delicious. Then /n. So the number d. I'm going to put eat something delicious. And then I'm going to have a total of 6 answers for each question because I'm going to have 6 options for spirit animals. You can, if you want to only have 3 options for spirit animals, if you want to have 10 options, then you can change the program accordingly. So then I'm going to put E, or /n, /n, and then E. And then I'm going to put do a craft, /n, and this is the last one, F. I'm going to put watch videos on YouTube. Then quote, parentheses. So now we have our very first input statement. So I've just copied 4 other input statements that I wrote out before. That way you don't have to see me type out all 4. So I'm just going to paste them here. So then here are the different input statements. So I have what would you do in an hour of free time? I have a question about your favorite element, your favorite place, and if you had one wish, what would you have, and your favorite game. So basically by now we've asked 5 questions and we've stored the user's responses, but we haven't told them what their spirit animal is. So I'm going to explain that in part 2. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like it. If you have any questions or ideas for new videos, put them in the comments below and I'll try my best to address them. Happy programming!